clips in a while. Today the aim and the objective is to do some restorative work on this machine here. But replace the coil and rings it, because as you know, I really keep up for the longest while, so I think the coil need to change. You understand? So in the process of making mechanical and electrical energy turn to heat energy. You understand? Bless up, man. Yeah, man, so now we're about to remove the coil and replace it with this one. You understand? You see me? Yeah, car. I do believe in coil at the time, you see it? So right now, and then we are going to put in the gasket at the top as well, you see me? Yeah, man. Okay, new coil replaced. You see it? Yeah, I'm getting there, man. I'm taking my time. You understand? Yeah, man. So we're going along, you know? You see it? Alright. Head has been completely removed. So now we're going to place the gasket here. Understand? It's the gasket that goes right there. And now we're going to change the rings. These are the rings inside this here. Understand? But first we have to clean it up. Understand? And then we're going to put the kit, the gasket right along here as well. So we have got several right around there as well, you know. Yeah, man. We're going. Alright, so now just put on the rings and the piston. You understand? And there is the gasket. So now it's time to fix the head. Or you know what, better yet, don't want to fix the head yet. I'm going to pull off the back here and then put in the other gasket. You understand? We're going along. We're going along, man. See it now? I've severed the back end. Then now we're going to fix this gasket around there and lock it up back. You see me? Yeah, so we're sealing off the actual whole thing, you see me? Yeah, man. And that is it. I understand. So we're going to get it intact. Put it up. Okay, well, so far it's going back together good. I understand. So now we just got to put on back the carburetor. You know? Put on back the muffler. And reconnect it to the body. And we are on our way. We should be good. I understand. So I'll see you at the end of it. That's it, you know?